Have a CDRZIP file from CorelDRAW containing compressed graphics. This is a compressed CorelDRAW file format, reducing file sizes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these CorelDRAW compressed files. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single CDRZIP file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A CDRZIP file is a package created by CorelDRAW that contains a design project, CDR, along with all its linked assets, such as fonts, color profiles, and images. Users create these files to easily share or archive a complete project, ensuring that the recipient has all necessary components to open and edit it correctly. The CDRZIP format is essentially a standard zip archive with a changed extension. This design choice leverages a well-understood, robust compression technology to bundle multiple disparate files into a single portable container. CorelDRAW manages the packaging and extraction, providing a seamless user experience for project collaboration and backup. We recommend using CorelDRAW by Corel Corporation to ensure proper reading of CDRZIP. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows previews flattened output only, leaving full editing to design software. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your CDRZIP file and click Open With. Test CorelDRAW if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If the CDRZIP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening in CorelDRAW. Install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite from Corel.com. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the CDRZIP file. CorelDRAW automatically decompresses the file and displays the vector design ready for editing. The decompression is transparent to users with no manual extraction steps required. Next, extracting as zip. Rename the CDRZIP file extension to zip and open with 7-zip WinRAR or other archive tools. Extract the embedded CDR file, which can then be opened in CorelDRAW or compatible vector graphics applications. This is useful when you need the uncompressed CDR format for software that doesn't recognize the CDRZIP extension. Finally, converting to universal formats. Within CorelDRAW, export designs to universal formats like SVG, PDF, EPS, or AI for use in other vector graphics applications. These formats work with Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, and online graphics tools, enabling sharing CorelDRAW designs with users on different platforms without requiring CorelDRAW software installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.